Oh, here we go. Going down Market. Oh my God! We're in the middle of our second hurricane in Trio, trying to make our way home. Right, Michelle?
Yeah, trying.
We're ready to die.
Hopefully with
We
this.
saw the biggest lightning bolt ever,
Oh my God,
and I'm
it's huge.
videotaping in anticipation for another one just as big. Ah! Oh my God, we're gonna die. Let's see if we can make it.
Driving
Market
a
is
little
pretty
fast.
much a big river, and we're driving fast. Whoop! Bouncy bounce. Come on, lightning. I want a good one. Oh my God. How are you feeling about this hurricane?
I'm a little scared. That's why I'm staying in the car until it's over. We might slow down the road though.
Oh, here we come. See, here's our sign. Oh, we're gonna die. Oh, there it is. Hopefully we don't hydroplane while I'm filming.
Yeah. Like that, did you see the Lisa Lopez documentary?
No. Oh my God. No.
Yeah, she
Well,
was
this might be
reporting
that.
when she had that
Hopefully it's not.
wreck and died. And they showed it on TV recently.
We're making it. We're gonna make it. It seems to have calmed down, actually.
Yeah, I think it's going that way.
We're out of the storm!